To use the built-in compass on your Samsung Galaxy S26, you need to start by opening the Settings app. Then scroll and select the option Display. Then scroll down until you find Edge Panels and tap on it. Ensure that Edge Panels is currently enabled. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and select Panels and ensure that of the panels selected, Tools is one of them. Once you've successfully added Tools, you can then go ahead and close the Settings app. From here, swipe to bring out the Edge Panels until you get to the Tools option. The first tool that you'll see will be the compass, and all you need to do is simply allow the compass to access your location. So tap on Next, and then rotate your phone around like so. And this should be calibrating your compass. So go ahead and keep doing so. And once you've successfully calibrated, the compass should automatically appear, and you'll notice whatever position you point it at, it automatically adjusts. So you can move it around as you keep testing it. You'll even see under the location you're currently in, you'll have the longitude and latitude displayed for a more precise location on your compass. If you feel as if it's still incorrect, you can always just tap on Calibrate, move it around again in the same positions you did, and then it should go back to the way it was previously if you had been experiencing issues. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.